What's going on, boys? Back again with another video. Just a little late night run in my stage 2 340i, as most of y'all know. The car is tuned right now and it's 10:48 at night, bro, and I was just kind of hungry, to be honest, and I've been feeling some Osmos all day. Not sure how many of y'all know what that is, but yeah, I'm just going out to go grab that real quick. I didn't got nothing to do, bro, like no videos to edit or nothing. So I was like, yo, I'm just gonna give y'all a nice little POV. Just gonna try to rip it through this little area. I wish there was no cars on here, because I like this road, to be honest. It's under construction, but there's no workers right now. Ah, fuck, if I could pass them, bro, I would rip it for y'all. I'm gonna see if it's possible though. I'm feeling a little bit crazy tonight. Yeah, I won't be able to do nothing behind this car, bro. Ah, shit. Let me go dark on him real quick. Right now I know he's just seeing the yellow DRLs. You're probably thinking this guy's tripping. Let me just check Waze real quick. Yeah, I think we straight. It's connected up to my car. And turn this thing up so it'll talk and tell me if there's any cops. Still need to get my res delete because the car is faster now, but it doesn't sound loud or anything. The only thing y'all are gonna be hearing is the intake. I might have to get gas tonight too. I got some small little variables. That's the kind of shit you can do with X-Drive. I'm telling y'all about it. It's crazy. I know there's a speeding camera on that other street, but I just don't want to get caught by no cops going like this. Speeding camera is somewhere down here. I'm pretty much going to my school right now. It's like a shopping center right by my school. I'm just going to take that. Let's see what cars we can spot out here. See a motorcycle. That thing actually looks crazy. I don't think it's nothing crazy though. It looks crazy, but bro, it's such a good night tonight. It's not cold, not hot. It's just perfect temperature. Yeah, I'm in the right lane. I was gonna turn there, but yeah, if y'all pay attention to my videos, god damn. Yeah, if y'all really watch my video and like see where I'm driving and stuff, y'all would know this is pretty much where I park whenever I come to school, in that area or somewhere up there. I could probably make a swing through the school real quick because it's literally right there. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that for y'all. I'm just gonna make a little spin, see what's up over there, because I've never seen the school this late. Damn, this car fast. Yeah, that's my school. I'm just gonna go to the main building. Damn. Yeah, it's hella empty, bro. I've never seen the school this empty. I've never been here this late. Yeah, only a few people over here. Damn. But yeah, the food places is right over there. So I'm just gonna loop around and go right back. I'm gonna go by the res building. I haven't seen that speed bump, to be honest with y'all. If I got a front lip, that shit would have been broken by now. I'm wilding out. I don't even know how long this video is gonna be, because I feel like I've been recording for a minute. It's another Beamer. Now that's an F32, 340i it looks like even. Yeah, it is a 340. I can tell. That shit is nice. I should slam too, bro. I need to lower my car and get some wheels. That's all that's needed right now. Let me show them yellow lights. See that? This ain't no joke, bro. Oh, I think he coming back around. Damn, that's just clean. I don't know if it's a wrap or that's the color it came with, but that looks crazy, yo. I've never seen it before either. Springs or coilovers, I'm not sure, but I just need to lower the car and get some new wheels on it. Yeah, I'm just recording on the phone right now. I'm gonna give y'all a walk around, but someone just pulled in. I know this shit doesn't sound as good because I don't got no mic on here, but I'm just gonna grab this food real quick. Appreciate it, man. that's gonna be the end of this video. I'm just gonna drive over there real quick to get a closer look at that car. I was gonna continue the POV going home, but as I can see, I got a huge bag. I'm not trying to spill anything, but damn, that shit's crazy, bro. Damn, that thing looks good. I think he has the M Performance package from factory, because he got like the paint match front lip and everything like that. That thing looks good though. I don't know if he's on springs or coilovers. That's a beautiful color, bro. Damn, they probably looking at me from in the store and everything, but I'm pretty sure he understands why. But yeah, hopefully y'all enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. Right now we on the road to 15K subs, I would say. I was gonna stretch it to 20, but you know, I'm gonna take it step by step. So 15K subs is our next goal. Make sure to subscribe if y'all haven't done that as yet, and like the video. But yeah, appreciate it. Catch y'all again in the next one.